Have you ever noticed those bumpy yellow tiles on the ground? They are called tactile paving, and they are built to help visually impaired individuals navigate public space. But in reality, these tiles only give very basic signals, like when to stop or go. They don't provide important information such as where the person is, what's ahead, or which direction leads to the right destination. For people with visual impairments, that missing information makes everyday navigation confusing, frustrating, and sometimes even unsafe. In Malaysia alone, there are over 63,000 visually impaired individuals. According to a recent survey, 75.9% say that public spaces are difficult to move around due to poor accessibility design. Current tactile paving systems simply aren't enough. That's why we create Taptile, a smart, interactive paving tiles that talk. When tapped with a white can, Taptile plays a voice message based on locations. For example, turn left is the ticket counters, turn right to exit A. Now, user can receive clear and helpful guidance, allowing them to move confidently and independently. Taptile uses 3D printing from form its shape, along with Arduino sensors and Unity software to detect can tips and trigger a voice message. It works in real time, without needing an app or screen. Just the can is enough. To support this innovation, we also built a campaign that consists of a video, website, and a poster to raise awareness. Taptile is more than designing with empathy, and proving that even a small change in public infrastructure can bring dignity, safety, and independence to those who need it most.